So hi, my name is Frank Chen. I'm the CEO of Exascend. So we're here at Embedded World at Anaheim. We have some new products to show you guys. This is the PR4 M.2. So this is the industry's first COTS-based radiation-tolerant SSD. So what we mean by COTS-based is it's commercial off the shelf. So most of the traditional radiation-tolerant storage products, they're based on special customized manufacturing process. So for us, we actually are using off-the-shelf IC components along with our firmware, our customized firmware to achieve reliability in LEO space.
And what kind of radiation environment you're talking about?
So low Earth orbit. So for the version 2.0, we're supporting up to 20,000 TID KRADs.
So right there in space.
Yes.
And your memory is already in space?
Yes. Yes.
That's cool. But you're talking about available like this is because the low Earth orbit satellites are getting cheaper and cheaper, and more people want to send them up.
Storage, high performance storage for more applications. More applications like measurement, Earth observation, telecommunication. So they all need more storage, high performance storage. So this is where this product comes in.
And with the SpaceX, they send the cheaper. Now it's cheaper to get up with the satellites.
Yes.
So you need more.
With cheaper satellites, you need cheaper storage, right? So that's why the cost-based storage comes in to address this cost and reliability issue.
How is there warranty if they get an issue up in space? They can bring it back for return, or it's not possible? No. It needs to be so reliable, right?
Yeah. So it must not fail. It's not. So there's no failure is not an option in LEO space.
But usually you send two of them, or you need a redundancy.
That depends on the customer. So the drive has our proprietary Phoenix Core firmware, which would self-correct any errors to make sure that the drive stays operational for the mission duration.
10 years?
Mostly for commercials, between 5 to 7 years. About 25,000 KRADs of total dosage.
25,000
KRADs.
Is that around the Earth?
No, KRADs is like 25,000 KRAD is how much radiation dosage this drive will tolerate.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's cool. What other cool products you have here at the Embedded World?
So we also have the BGA SSD. So this is a 1 terabyte BGA. That's like almost like the size of like a thumb. And we also have the AR500, which is also radiation tolerant. So this one supports up to 40,000 KRADs. So it's a step up from the M.2s.
So that's also space, or
yes.
Are there other applications here on Earth that is useful for?
Well, let's say if you're doing some kind of a nuclear power plant or in areas where there's a lot of radiation, these storage are built for that kind of environment.
And what is the special firmware you're talking about error correction? Is there something like general memory firmware development, or something very specific about radiation?
It's very customized for this for the kind of errors that we encounter in radiation upset events, because during that kind of upset, normal ECC cannot correct it. So the drive firmware have to undergo additional correction and data purge process to make sure that these corrupt data will not impact the normal operation, the normal functionalities of the drive.
Nice. So it's just very advanced the way you engineer this firmwares. And
yes.
The firmwares, where do they go? Like, there's such a small device.
It gets stored onto the memory chip inside. And we have multiple copies of it, so that even one copy is corrupted, we can repair we have multiple backup copies that we can use to boot up and then repair the corrupted copies.
Because if you design memory smartly, it could be so much redundancy in the way you do it that it will perhaps never fail, or is that not possible?
Not likely with radiation, because the way radiation works in outer space is it's not just single point of failure. There are multiple points of failure during event upset.
And do you want to talk about some other products here?
We also have this specialized custom SSD that's built for a rugged shock and vibration environment. So we have this special connector that's kind of different from the M.2 Gold fingers. So you can just plug straight into the board, and instead of getting stressed, with vibration, because it's an up-down connector, they're very well protected against shock and vibe.
And this is like the same bandwidth and everything?
Yes, and this is also built for mission critical applications. So we support up to 16 terabytes.
Is this very special to make a design like this?
Yes, we did all of our own PCB design, manufacturing, firmware development, testing.
Because I guess there's thousands of devices out there that get shaken a little bit and they disconnect. Mm-hmm. And it kind of, the whole device doesn't work anymore.
Right. So if you use this kind of connector, then it's immune from that kind of.
And here it says you're the winner.
Oh yes. So we are the winner of this year's embedded storage product. So this is a PD5. So this is a data center grade SSD, really meant for accelerating AI workloads like inference and training.
All right, so there's a lot of stuff happening with AI, and you are enabling a lot of it?
Yes. So we are, a lot of our products goes into robotaxi, goes into mission critical applications, going into AI edge, goes into AI inference.
Nice. It's cool to know all these places that your work is going, no? It's kind of cool.
They're kind of confidential. So.
No, but you don't need to tell me.
Okay.
But it's cool for you to know all these cool projects are using your products.
Yes. So they'll be powering all the applications, all the kind of life-changing or really new experiences.
Meaningful.
Yes, meaningful.
Changing
experience.
the world.
Yes.
Right? And here on the wall, there's a lot more products. Here I see the robotaxi.
Yes.
Robotaxi product line.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes, they're all automotive grade.
All right. That's cool.
Yeah.
And here is
mission critical.
aerospace.
Yes, mission critical. The PR4, so they're radiation tolerant.
And there's more robotic automation.
Yes.
And data center enterprise. Could you talk a little bit more about when I was trying to say that potentially storage could be even more reliable with redundancy in the future? Like, is there all kinds of work you can do in this direction that, storage is just going to be better and better in the future, more reliable, never fail?
Well, I think we already built enough reliability features into our drives that I think reliability is not something that we need to worry about, for our products. But what we are looking at is for our next generation Gen 5 products, we're looking to cut the power consumption, by half compared to, a standard data center grade drive, so that we can enable more applications on the edge. So really our focus for next year is delivering higher capacity, lower power, still the same great performance and the same, higher density products into different emergent applications.
And when you lower the power consumption by half, does it also reduce reliability by half, or nothing to do with that?
You actually improve reliability because you don't have to stress your components with more heat, right? So lowering power consumption, lowering heat, improved reliability.
And that means you can increase capacity.
Yes.
Also.
Well, our drives actually, regardless of the capacity, let's say if you do 16 or 32 terabyte, they still have the same performance at the same power profile.
So that doesn't affect the, okay.
Yeah.
But so there's all this coming, and that means, how do you achieve this lower power? Is it in the nanometer and everything of the SSD, or is it the firmware question?
It's both the hardware and the firmware solution. So we select the best hardware components, the most power efficient hardware components, and the most efficient hardware design to enable the base low power design. And then with our firmware, we can add, improve the power efficiency of the drive, depending on what the workload, what the customer is looking for. And when we add a lot of customizations on power tuning, so we can provide customers just enough performance to meet their application demand while maximizing the power efficiency.
HDMI technology powers the global ecosystem of connected devices, enabling advanced displays that deliver immersive visuals and sound across entertainment, professional, and everyday applications.
As the preferred technology for digital AV connectivity, HDMI technology and the features and benefits it enables
Links billions of products worldwide, from HD TVs, set-top boxes, and laptops to gaming consoles, projectors, and audio-video receivers. It provides the reliable, high-bandwidth connectivity needed for today's ultra-high-definition video, lifelike color accuracy, and immersive sound formats. HDMI technology drives innovation across industries, including digital signage, medical imaging, education, and esports. With unmatched performance, interoperability, and scalability, HDMI technology continues to define how content is created, shared, and enjoyed around the world.